One Day in Helsinki, a practical travel guide. If you have just one day in Helsinki, whether you're on a stopover before heading to Lapland, arriving by cruise, or making the most of a short city break, this guide will help you see the best of the city efficiently and comfortably. We'll explore libraries, iconic churches, a proper Finnish sauna, and excellent local food, including vegan options, of course. This itinerary is designed for the warmer months, when you can walk almost everywhere. If you're traveling in winter when daylight is limited and temperatures are significantly lower, I recommend watching my winter packing video, linked up here and below, for tips on clothing, timing, and staying warm. I will not get into accommodations specifically, except for the one I actually tried myself and can recommend, Valo Hotel. About 20 minutes by bus from the city center, Kamppi, quite new and quintessentially Finnish in style and functionality. It's a work hotel too. Okay, let's get into our itinerary now. Start your morning with Helsinki's most iconic landmarks, all within walking distance of the city center. Senat Square and Helsinki Cathedral. Begin at Senat Square, Senaatin tori. The white cathedral at the top of the stairs is the symbol of Helsinki. Step inside, it's free, and enjoy the peaceful, minimalist interior. At the time of filming, they're doing renovations, but they might be done when you'll visit, and you'll be able to see it in all its splendor. Uspensky Cathedral. From there, walk 5 minutes to Uspensky Cathedral, an Orthodox church with Eastern architectural influence. The red brick exterior and golden domes contrast beautifully with the Lutheran Cathedral. Behind the church, you'll find a great view of the harbor and the Katajanokka neighborhood. An essential stop, in my humble opinion, consists of 3 different libraries with distinct designs and functions. National Library of Finland. Start with the National Library just behind Senat Square, next to Tuomiokirkko, the cathedral. The interiors are ornate with neoclassical pillars, wooden shelves, spiral staircases, and much more. Free entry. Simply leave your bag and jacket in the storage room. At the entrance to the right, take the key and explore the areas open to the public. It's typically quiet and it hosts exhibitions that will give you insights into the local culture. Please note that both the National Library and Kaisatalo, the next point, are closed on weekends. Helsinki University Library. If you enjoy modern architecture, walk a few minutes to the Helsinki University Library, also known as Kaisatalo. Clean lines, light-filled atriums, and a peaceful atmosphere make this a great reset before the next stop. Depending on the season, you may find it empty or filled with students frantically prepping for exams. Either way, make sure to check out the sitting area with Finnish designed chairs, without disturbing the students, of course. The visit to both libraries may last 10 or 30 minutes, depending on your interests. By now, you've earned your lunch. Head to the waterfront, either the Market Square or the nearby Old Market Hall. Market Square, Kauppatori. At the outdoor Market Square, you'll find classic Finnish dishes like lohikeitto, creamy salmon soup, and grilled fish. For lighter fare, look for vendors selling roasted vegetables or mushroom-based dishes. In summer, fresh berries are in season. Pick up a handful of cloudberries, blueberries, raspberries, and so on. Old Market Hall, Vanha Kauppahalli. Next door is the Old Market Hall, an indoor food hall that's especially useful on colder or rainy days. Grab lunch or a pulla pastry here. A personal recommendation is Vibami, a Vietnamese restaurant near the Helsinki University metro station inside the shopping center. It offers excellent dishes with tofu and other plant-based options, including a buffet, which is the preferred style in most restaurants at lunchtime. Let's check out one more church before heading to my favorite spot in Helsinki. Temppeli Rock Church. A short tram ride or 20-minute walk takes you to Temppeli aka the Rock Church. Carved directly into granite, it's a unique architectural space. You could save this for an early evening concert too. Check their program. Oodi Central Library. Now head to Oodi, Helsinki's flagship public library and one of the most innovative civic buildings in Europe. Inside, you'll find a public living room with reading nooks, media studios, a cafe, and panoramic city views from the top floor terrace. I made a whole video about Helsinki's libraries. Feel free to watch it after this one for more details. Oodi is open late, so feel free to linger. Grab a coffee or a Finnish pastry upstairs to recharge before sauna. No visit to Finland is complete without a sauna, and in summer, nothing beats a sauna by the sea. Loulu is a beautifully designed, eco-conscious public sauna on the shoreline. Book a slot in advance, you'll get access to both a traditional smoke sauna and a wood-burning one. And yes, if you're brave, you can swim in the Baltic Sea between sauna rounds. For a more central option, try Allas Sea Pool instead, near Market Square. It has multiple saunas and warm outdoor pools, all with a view of the harbour. Between the two, I personally would recommend Allas for the unbeatable location. After the sauna, stay by the sea or head back toward the city center for dinner. Keep in mind that dinner time is around 6 p.m. and lunch starts around 11 a.m., so plan accordingly. Restaurants will close early too. If you're not too tired, end your day with a drink or something sweet. Fazer Café. If you didn't stop here earlier, now is the time, as they have exceptionally long opening hours till 10 p.m. Here you can try a Runebergin torttu, any Fazer chocolate, or a Karjalan piirakka, even though you can find the latter at any supermarket in the fresh bread and pastry section. Take a walk through Esplanadi Park, or if it's still light, stroll along the water by Hietaniemi Beach or in the Eira neighborhood. In summer, the sun sets around 11 p.m, plenty of time for one last photo. Summer tips. Helsinki is walkable, safe and bright. With long daylight hours, you can comfortably explore from morning to night. Still, book popular spots like Loulu and Nolla in advance. Winter notes. If you're visiting from October to March, daylight is limited, up to 5 hours in December. Start your day earlier and prioritize indoor locations. And for detailed advice on what to pack, how to stay warm, and how to time your day, check out my Winter Packing for Finland video, linked below. That's your perfect one-day itinerary for Helsinki, combining culture, nature, good food, and Finnish traditions. Let me know in the comments where you're headed next. Lapland, the archipelago, or just relaxing in the city. For more Helsinki guides, maps, and downloadable itineraries, check the links below. And don't forget to subscribe for practical travel tips you can actually use. I'll see you in the next one.